Okay, so we're approximately back to where we started. And let's see what the miles per gallon, how that matches up. Has it improved since we've been running on a full tank of the Millers additive? So the instructions say to squeeze the container till the fill line, which is approximately there, but it's 56 litres and that's 50 ml for 50 litres, so a little bit more of a squeeze to a bit more in. Right, I'll go with that. And that's it, empty, it's gone. Let's see, so it's showing us 35.2, so let's compare that to when we first started the test. So the floor's got no black marks on it, so we'll see if we get any soot in this area. So this is a slight amount, but nothing if you compare to the last video. Yeah, that's pretty good. I don't think there's going to be much improvement in the engine noise, but let's have a look. guys, this is my conclusion and my opinion, and looking at the results we've just seen and comparing it to the wins, I would give the overall win to Millers, and this is my reasons why. Well, it was clear from the video that the amount of soot that was left on the driveway was actually less after one dose of those of Millers on a full tank, and you can clearly see how much I've got left to go. So I could probably do 2 or 3 more doses on full tanks and then see what the full effect of using the whole one is, where compared to the wins that also did a good job, as you can see from the video. If you look back in the history for the wins video, it did a good job, but you have to use the whole container, where this one you have about 4 goes of it, but you can see the results on just one dose, which is that section there. And as for driving the car, I have noticed better performance, as in acceleration, and also, as you can see, the miles per gallon has improved slightly. And when I tested the sound, there is a reduction in the engine noise as well. So overall, it's slightly dearer than the wins. I can't remember now. I think this was about £16 and this one was about £11.50, something like that. So, but you get more treatments in this one, and they do both deliver results. So I'm not saying the wins product isn't any good, because it is. And if either of these, Wins or Millers, want to sponsor my channel, then get in touch with me. But yeah, because I'm not doing this for any money, sponsorship money from these guys. So let me know your thoughts. And I know this isn't particularly a scientific test, it's very much a visual one and my experience of driving the car, and you have to trust my opinion that I have seen improvement using this. So yes, it's not technical. I haven't got the technical equipment to measure the exact measurements that's coming out of the tailpipe, but visually we can both see an improvement. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video as well. It helps more viewers watch my content. So thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.